So today is the day that we get to know our gender for our baby. Yes, we are pregnant. I'm pregnant. And today we're going to find out if it's going to be a boy or a girl, but one or the other. It has to be one of them. So right now, me and Charlie came to set up the ranch right now and drop off some things. We're about to head over to go pick up more things and drop them off at the ranch. But today, Charlie has a very, very important task, and he's going to be the one that's going to be vlogging because Jay told me that I cannot do it today because we're going to be hosting the event. So I'm excited, very, very excited. My girl been waiting for a month to find out. So we're here today, the day's the day, and we'll actually be heading out, so let's go. And I kind of wanted to do a vlog or something to tell you guys that I wanted to propose to Jay. So today is going to be the day that I'm going to be proposing to Jay as well. I couldn't do any videos because I'm always with her, or every time I want to do something she comes out of nowhere, or when I'm recording on my phone or something she always calls or texts. I'm just like if she knew that I was doing it, I was like, what the hell? So today is the day that I'm informing you guys and actually doing a video that today is the day that I'm gonna be proposing. What? I'm super excited, nervous. Yesterday I went to go picked up the ring that I bought for her. I got a custom-made ring. It's a dream ring. It's just wow.
Turn right onto Catlet Road.
Stop GPS, I'm talking. Wait, hold on. We're lost. What? Right here?
Yes, right.
Take a right.
At Catlet Road.
Ah!
Here, wait.
Okay. All right.
In 4.7 miles, turn left onto Fitzwater Drive.
Okay, thank you. I'm just excited, guys. So hopefully you guys are as well. Hope everything comes out good. And no, the ring is not sponsored. Okay, I had to pay out of pockets, but I'm super excited. Charlie saw the ring. What do you think about the ring, Charlie?
It was very shiny, very nice. The box, the little case that it came in.
No. I bought the case. I bought the case.
But it came in it, didn't it?
Oh yeah, no. The case, I bought it at Amazon, and again, it was not sponsored. It looks really nice in.
Skunk.
Yeah, we passed that skunk. It didn't came with the case. They gave me a limited edition case at the jewelry store because of all the, I guess, stress that they caused me, they said. But I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use the one that I used at Amazon. Me and Charlie already discussed how I told him that I need him to
fly the drone.
When we're gonna be doing it, how we're gonna be doing it, when he's cute to zoom in, zoom out. So, like I said, Charlie has a big role today. So, if the video doesn't come out nice, you know who to blame. Girl. So yeah, but nah, I have faith Charlie's gonna help me out, and I'm also gonna tell my nieces and nephews and my friends if they have any videos that they take to pass it on, because, like I said, Jay told me that I cannot vlog today. The only day that she doesn't want me to vlog is when we throw our own parties because we have to host them. But trust me, I'll be sneaking here and there. I'm gonna go pick up some tablecloths, some things from Party City, and we're gonna be picking up more things from the house, and then the food. And yes, guys, we're gonna be serving tacos. You'll see how delish my family makes tacos. And I want to say a shout out to my family and everyone that's helping out with this gender reveal. Thank you all. You know, appreciate it. Jay appreciates it, and the baby will appreciate it. For now, we out. It's a boy or a girl.
think it is?
Huh?
¿Qué crees que es?
I don't know.
What do you think it is, Jay?
A girl.
A girl?
Girl.
What do you think it is, Paloma? Hey, Paloma, what do you think it is? A boy? You want a boy?
Yes. I want a boy.
Good luck. We'll find out today. All right, Sasha. What do you think it is, boy or girl?
Team boy.
Boy. What do you think it is?
Team girl.
Kime, boy or girl? What do you think it is, boy or girl?
Team boy, bro. Team boy, all day.
Team girl? Team girl?
Girl.
I don't know what she is. Talia, what do you think it is?
A mouthful.
What?
A girl.
A girl? What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Jasmine, what do you think it is? What do you think it is, boy or girl?
A boy.
Okay. What do you think it is, Noelia?
A boy.
What do you think
A
it is?
boy.
I think that's a girl.
A boy.
Okay.
Talking about you.
Talia.
Talia.
Victoria. Boy or girl?
Girl.
I'm sorry, I was just next to Talia. There you go. What do you think it is?
Boys.
Boy? Alright, what about you?
Boy. Boy.
Boy? Huh? What do you think it is? Boy or girl?
Boy.
What do y'all think it is? Boy or girl?
Girl. Boy. Boy.
¿Qué cree que es? ¿Niño o niña?
Niño.
What do you think it is?
But they're not going to be
A
nice
baby.
right now. When you
Daniel. ¿Niño o niña?
Niño.
¿Qué crees que es? ¿Niño o niña?
Para mí que es niña, pero si es niño, bienvenido, los dos los amo.
¿Sí? ¿Niño o niña?
Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Magali, la hermana de Dave, aquí preparándole su comida para su herbios, ¿cómo llaman? Que yo sé que va a ser niña. Niña. Los quiero mucho y felicidades.
What's up, guys? So right now our family's out there setting up the gender reveal. As you guys see that we're doing the gender reveal. At first she didn't want one, so what do you think about now? Was it worth it? Are you happy that we did it?
I just don't like the arrangement part.
Well,
It's hectic, especially when we're here at 2 o'clock and the party's supposed to start at 3 and there's nothing ready.
those are the things that we laugh at it at the end. Am I right, people? If it has ever happened to you that you set a time and you just go way beyond, it happens. But right now we're waiting for. We're ready. Okay, guys, this is the moment. This is the moment where we're gonna reveal the gender, if it's a boy or a girl. Charlie just
Not
came.
gonna lie,
My heart is pumping. It's been a month worth of wait because they knew about it, and we're here today to do it. But first, are you happy that we did it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I'm very happy. Let's go find out our gender. Let's go.
No siento las horas cuando estoy contigo. Me encanta porque todo lo ves positivo. Amo tus lunares y tus cicatrices. Dime en este tiempo dónde te metiste, que no te pude encontrar.
No sé si fue Dios o tal vez fue el destino. Lo único que sé, vamos por buen camino. Estaré contigo por todas las vidas. Recordar quién eres por si un día lo olvidas. Por ti haría eso y más.
Y si no existieras yo te inventaría mismo corazón y la misma sonrisa. Eres mi razón, mi paz, mi sol, mi trigo. Simplemente gracias por estar conmigo.
Aquí están mis brazos, siéntete segura, que para tus miedos yo tengo la cura. Eres lo que tanto a Dios yo le pedía. No voy a defraudarte, solo en mí confía. Y si miras para el cielo y no hay estrellas, no me culpes, pues te las merecías.
Y si no existiera yo te inventaría mismo corazón y la misma sonrisa. Eres mi razón, mi paz, mi sol, mi trigo. Simplemente gracias por estar conmigo.
Aquí están mis brazos, siéntete segura, que para tus miedos yo
Okay.
He's like, what the hell are you guys doing?
Hey guys, sorry we didn't do an outro yesterday, but today's a new day. Yesterday was the party. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We were completely wiped out, tired. We finished late, and today we are actually at the ranch today again. As you can see, we have our beautiful horse, and we just want to say thank you guys for joining us. And we're very excited that we are expecting a little princess. So I want to say thank you to all. Thanks to Charlie, and thank you to everyone that helped set up the party and had a good time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Family Firme, we out.